Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to configure your Shopify profile or shop shipping. So the shipping or the version or the shipping in English is like when you buy when customer comes to you and buy something, there is a shipping, which is you will deliver that thing to his house. So you can configure the shipping or delivering options to your shop through Shopify. So how we can do it? Basically, you just have to go to Shopify first. So go here and search for your account, connect your accounts from here. If you didn't have an account, just create one. And yeah, now after that, a page like that will be opened. So something like that will be opened for you. You have to fill out all of these things in order to have a good shop. So after you finish with all of these, you go here and then you go to here. So deliver, which is going to be the third, sixth, seventh option. So here you will say if you are going to be delivering in your country or international, so the rest of the world. You can actually edit it and choose wherever you'd like to do. You can add even some price for the delivering. So for example, you can add here the price. Let's add a price, for example, 30 dirham. Here standard, finish, here it is. You can remove something, for example the free ones. Here's for example for the rest of the world 200. And yeah, you can choose and add and even create a new zone. So if you want to be sent to a specific country, you can choose it from here. For example, let's choose these ones and add them. You can add them in here. So North America, here they are. And yeah, as you can see, you can add it and remove and do whatever. After that, you click on save and everything will be saved on your shop. So yeah guys, thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.